Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can fix the calendar invites not working issue on Microsoft Teams. So let us get started. So guys, what you want to do is head over to Microsoft Teams, for example, via the web browser app or the desktop app of Microsoft Teams, log into your account. And let's assume one of your contacts or friends keeps telling you he or she would like to send you an invitation to a meeting, for example, via calendar, but he or she can't do that because they can't send you any invitation via their Microsoft Teams calendar. And there's probably one reason for that, guys. This is because you may have, maybe accidentally, hidden your profile card as well as your contact email here on Microsoft Teams so that your contacts can't send you any invitations. So to unhide your profile card and your email, guys, you will need to access your account settings here in Microsoft Teams. To do that, log into your account and click into these three dots in the top right corner. From here, navigate to settings. So use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+. And after that, here inside your settings, navigate to, let me find it here under privacy to the left. And here, guys, click into manage profile under your profile. And last but not least, what you want to do is unhide your associated email addresses here to the left. As you can see, it is selected to hide for me for both email addresses, so no one can invite me via calendar, as you can see. So to receive these calendar invites, my email addresses must be shown. So switch from hide to show and do the same here. And that should fix the issue, guys. I hope it did for you. Let us know in the comments down below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.